Gold coins and bars filled with lead scams. Beware, watch out. Gold scams and fraud are very common as investors seek opportunities abroad for new gold suppliers, sellers, miners and buyers. Gold prices keep rising, and so does the fraud. Most of the fraud is coming from West Africa, from countries like Ghana and Sierra Leone, but there is also a high degree of risk from South Africa and China. China, South Africa and Ghana are the largest gold producers in the world, and no country is booming with gold investment like Ghana, so getting in on the action means dealing with significant risk. There are endless combinations of gold scams. Gold scams can take the form of advance fee fraud, i.e. paying for gold that never arrives. Gold deals involving the internet are especially prone to scam and fraud. Gold coins and bars can be filled with lead or other metals and coated in gold. Claimed mining companies or gold sellers can also engage in scams or fraud by manipulating contracts and sales agreements, shipping complications, customs fees and claimed taxes. Scammers are increasingly registering fake companies with South Africa, Ghana and China government agencies, so checking to see if the company is registered is no longer a sufficient way to hedge risk. Investing in mining companies on a financial exchange or buying a gold ETF offers the least risk. If possible, ask for a referral from a trusted source within the industry. If this isn't an option, get a list of licensed and registered companies from government agencies in the country where the gold dealer, buyer or supplier is located. Ask for references and never send money via Western Union. Because of the high risk, contact a company like wmv International for a background check or due diligence investigation, to be certain you are not dealing with a scam. For investigation and verification services, always use a private investigation or background check firm with field investigators in the actual country. What do they look like? Unfortunately, the two lead-filled bars that pictures are available of do not show the ends of the bars. According to reports, they are nearly indistinguishable from real bars. However, those same sources also claim that most such bars have been removed from circulation, but that would be nearly impossible to do unless they were somehow detectable. So it is likely that there would be some sort of evidence of tampering to a trained eye. Over time, pictures of two different lead-filled 100-ounce bars have surfaced on the internet. The picture on the left, posted in 2003, is from a 100-ounce gold bar from the 1980 gold bull market. The picture shows half of the bar, which had been cut in half to verify that there was lead in it. You can clearly see 3 holes that had been drilled into the bar. The pictures on the right show bars that were hollowed out, and then filled with lead or lead/tin slugs per one source. How are they made? First, the real 100-ounce gold bar is obtained. Then, some of the insides are removed either with 3 drill holes, or some other method. Next, lead or a lead alloy such as 80% lead, 20% tin is placed inside the bar. Melted would work best. Otherwise slugs could be placed inside, but they would cause a lot of air and make it more likely the lead could be detected. Then, gold is added to the open end of the bar. Finally, the bar is smoothed/polished and weighed, to both look as much like the original bar as possible, hiding any evidence of tampering and keeping the weight as close to exactly 100 ounces as possible. Then, the person doing this would need to find a way to sell the bars, and find a buyer for the gold shavings as well. How common are they? There are estimates in the rumor mill that 1 in 25 to 1 in 40 of the 100-ounce gold bars being afflicted with this problem. However, these all appear to be just that, rumors. If true estimates, these may have been estimates made in 2010, or in 1980. We estimate that Golden made about 2,100,000 bars. That would mean the 50,000 to 80,000 were lead-filled 5 to 8 million ounces. It would be very difficult for an organization to move that many gold bars unnoticed and untraced. Can a magnet detect these? The standard magnet test won't work where some types of costume jewelry, for example, that may appear to be gold, but are not, will be attracted to a magnet. That's because gold and lead are both considered diamagnetic. They repel magnets